Hello guys, welcome back. So I decided to do another video on Photolab based on popular demand, and I explored the down parts, which is the hashtag, hash photograph, hash background, and the rest. Please guys, just explore it. There are a lot of beautiful templates you're going to see here. Aside the first one that we did, we first did the top trending and recent, but this one is beautiful. Guys, look at the beautiful images that I was able to generate using this hashtag background. It's just like a studio picture. You don't need to waste money generating any studio pictures again. All right, guys, this is so beautiful. Just go ahead and explore it. All right, without further ado, let's dive into it. Okay, this is the photography section, and you can see all the beautiful templates that are there. All you need to do is just tap on, swap it with your face, and then you'd see. Let's try this gele stuff. This is actually beautiful, guys. So beautiful. All right, let's see. Take a picture. Voila, and you have it, guys. Can you see that? Let's try another one. Okay,